Die superseisoen het gekom en gegaan vir die Suid-Afrikaanse spanne en vir die eerste keer sedert 2003 is daar geen van ons spanne in die halfeindronde nie. Die fokus skuif nou na Springbok rugby en in die besonder die rugby kampioenskap wat aanstaande maand begin. Ons het met Mark Andrews gesels oor hoekom sy geliefde Haie nie hierdie seisoen aan die verwagtinge voldoen het nie.
I can remember going on tour in Super Rugby where the Bulls came into our hotel after us, we were leaving, and we felt sorry for them. It was like these guys hadn't won a game overseas in 5 years. I mean, we felt terrible for them. And I think the Bulls have went through their pain and then put structures in place to make them a successful side. And the Sharks have to do the same thing. They have to appoint a head coach and have him consistently at the union and not get in and out. They have to make sure their procurement program is in place, and they have to make sure that they can secure the top players, but also have to be smart. You can't have 8 Springboks in your team in a World Cup year because sorry having the resting policy. And also I've been there. In the World Cup year as a player, as current Springbok, where's your focus? It's on making it for the World Cup again. You're not going to kill yourself in Super Rugby in case you get injured. So I think the Sharks have to have a serious look at how they put their side together and their coaching structures, and it's not going to be a short-term fix.